Solar panels are appearing everywhere in Kenya. A regulation adopted in 2012 required all property developers in Kenya to install solar water heaters in buildings where occupants use over 100 liters of hot water a day.
Everyone is making sure that they install a solar system during the time of building. So this has worked to the advantage of solar contractors in Kenya.
Residents say the use of solar panels considerably lowers their electric bills.
We're able to have hot water throughout the day, depending on the usage, and also in the night.
In this farmer's field, solar panels provide power for pumps, which ensure that elevated tanks are always filled with water. Gravity sends the water directly to the crop roots.
I used to have problems with water, but now I have none. Then I used to use a water pump, and during a dry spell, I never got a good harvest nor export. But now I'm exporting from January to December from the time I got the solar system installed.
The cost of solar power kits is still way beyond the reach of many ordinary Kenyans and other Africans, so they expect their governments to do more to help them.
If the government has a goodwill to subsidize, then they will see the benefit of the registration that they have passed.
The Kenyan government promises it will soon launch a $150 million project to help local communities pay to install solar panels in markets, schools, shops, and homes in poor areas far from urban power grids.